One day, a sheep sat by the shop. Sheep said, shh, shh, shh. Suddenly, sheep noticed a sparkling shell. Oh, it is so shiny, said the sheep. Just then, the wind gave a little push to the shell and the shell went away. The sheep ran after it. She saw a big ship near the shore. Sheep asked, is my shell on the ship? No, shell was not there. Sheep checked here, there, but the shell was not there. Sheep was sad but kept looking for it. Then she looked in the shed. Shell is not in the shed. Then she looked near the bush. Oh my God, here is my shell. Sheep was so happy, but the shell was a little dirty. So the sheep gave the shell a little wash and the shell was sparkling again. The sheep became so happy and she kept smiling. Wow! While reading such a beautiful sheep story, did you realize, kids, we read so many shh words. Shh. Who makes the sound? When s comes together, what does the sound they create? Shh. Shh. Repeat after me. Shh. So let us collect all the sh words and keep it in this basket. Okay? So what was the first word we read that starts from sh? Yes, sheep. This was our first word. Sh. E. Sheep. Can you hear sh in the beginning? Yes. So let's keep it in the basket. What's the second word? Shell. Sh. Oh, shell. Can you hear sh at the beginning? Yes, we can hear sh at the beginning. So let's keep it in the basket. What's the third word? Ship. Ship. Sh. E. Ship. Ship. Can you hear sh at the beginning? Yes, we can hear sh at the beginning. So let's keep it in the basket. Another word we read was shed. Shed. Sh. E. Shed. Can you hear sh at the beginning? Shed. Yes, we can hear sh at the beginning. So let's keep it in the basket. Great, kids. We read so many sh words. All these words have sh sound at the beginning, right? Please remember, whenever in a word you see s, together they will produce a sound sh. Okay? Remember this. Thank you, kids, for watching this video. If you liked it, please ask your mama papa to like and subscribe my channel.